On its official Instagram account, Italjet, a motorbike company from Italy, officially introduced a new product called the Italjet Dragster 700 Twin Factory Limited Edition. What's interesting is that this motorbike is a mass production version of their prototype motorbike, namely the Italjet Dragster 559, which was displayed at EICMA Milan last year. Talking about design, of course, this motorbike has characteristics like the Italjet Dragster in general, which is characterized by a sporty-style maxi scooter design with criss-cross trellis frame detailing, as well as a motorsport-like rear and front body design, including the addition of an aerodynamic package. Even though it has the appearance of a scooter, this motorbike carries a motorsport engine with wild performance. So this motorbike is actually included in the sports motorbike category, but with a scooter-style body. Looking at the specifications in the brochure they contain, this motorbike has a 700cc 2-cylinder DOHC 8-valve liquid-cooled engine. On paper, this motorbike is capable of reaching a maximum power of 53 kW, or the equivalent of 68 HP at 8,500 RPM, and peak torque 70 Nm. And once again, this motorbike does not use a CVT like automatic motorbikes in general, but uses a 6-speed manual transmission. The reason why they ultimately chose a 700cc engine was because they were pursuing greater power for consumer satisfaction than the 559cc engine, which only had 58 HP. Apart from the radical design, this motorbike is also packed with sophisticated modern features, such as all LED lights, a full-color TFT meter panel, and if you look at the front, it looks like this motorbike uses a dash cam. And this motorbike is sold in 2 types, including the factory limited edition type priced at year 14,900 and sold in a very limited number of only 700 units worldwide. This type has exclusive advantages including bespoke paint and livery, Akrapovic titanium exhaust, Öhlins rear suspension, Öhlins steering damper, and Ducabike clutch cover with viewing window. Meanwhile, the standard type or production version is priced cheaper at only your 12,900, available shortly after the limited edition,